Greetings, folks. Raymond here with MMRH Tiny Homes, and I'm joined by the president, Mitch. Now, Mitch, I love to cook. I love hanging out in the kitchen. I'm a foodie. I love to eat. And I'm looking right now at this particular cooktop, and it looks to me like it's an electric cooktop. Is it an electric cooktop?
Yes, it is.
All right. Now, if I prefer to use propane for cooking, is that an option we can have with MMRH?
It's not a problem. Even in this unit, if you'd like this unit, we can take this cooktop, take it out, put a propane cooktop, because we have gas lines everywhere underneath the trailer. They're already installed. So you have the option either to go with propane or electric.
So we have the option of both gas and electric right from the get-go. And if we decide to even change our mind down the road, even once we have the home, we can get a gas cooktop put in if we change our mind down the road.
That's correct.
Right. Awesome. Now I'm looking over here at this item. I don't see a microwave in the tiny home, but this looks like an oven. What is this thing?
It is a microwave oven. You'll do both.
Well, so I can microwave in there,
yes,
and I can bake brownies in there if I want to?
If you'd like to.
All right, perfect. Well, there you have it, folks. At MMRH Tiny Homes, you have the ability to pick and choose what you need to conveniently live your life. You can have your electric cooktop. You can change that out for a gas cooktop. But right here, we also have the microwave oven, whereby you can bake your brownies in there anytime you want. But if you just want to warm up some leftovers, you can do so, because it's 2 units in 1. So let us help you make your dreams come true. Reach out to us and we'll work with you to build the tiny home of your dreams. Thanks for watching.